to the Bear Sisters. And today we're making shortbread biscuits. They were meant to be bunny shortbread biscuits, but they didn't provide us with a bunny cookie, so we're just doing...
So, I want to do that. So this was for my Play-Doh, so we have to toss it because I use it loads of times with my Play-Doh.
We have a cupcake and a unicorn.
And I want to carry it. And there's some sprinkles in here.
We have a raw egg. We have an egg.
We
sugar.
have some food dye.
Is this water?
Yes,
Water. Why do we need?
for the colouring of the biscuits.
No, not yet.
We have
And some colouring. They're flavoured.
No. Flavoured. So we're going to be doing vanilla ones.
And we got some butter.
Okay. Can we get started now, Rosie?
And the sprinkles in the bowl were from here.
Okay, so
I'm just still put them all up.
So you're going to start now, Rosie, yeah?
preheat oven to 190 Celsius. Have we done that?
Mhm.
Cream together margarine, sugar, and salt. Is that the salt?
Oh, and don't use too much sugar.
The salt is in a little spoon.
Okay, Rosie, could you get margarine, the butter?
The butter.
I'm gonna need you to scrape it in there.
Saga, can you, Ola, can you just move the spoon? You, I want to scrape.
Okay, you scrape and I'll hold the bowl. Make sure you get it in. Okay, that's done.
I'm
So-
getting it.
I'll do the salt now. 1/4 of a teaspoon, or 1/4.
We have the sprinkles.
The sugar. You like move.
Hold on.
Hold on. Push down. Oh, I think okay, which one is it? Okay, so we need to mix that. I don't know what. It doesn't say what speed. I'm going to do it medium. And let's mix egg and vanilla. Okay, let's go mix them medium. Okay?
What do I?
Yeah, just squeeze them and well incorporate Yeah.
Okay.
So you probably use the wrong attachment. Yeah, just keep scraping it down the sides of the bowl to make sure you've got it all mixed in. It shouldn't take that long to do.
Okay, where's the...
Look.
Can I scoop it?
Okay, that looks okay.
Turn it off.
Yeah,
It looks like mashed potato.
it does.
It looks like mashed potato.
Excuse me.
And push it out of the whisk as well, Orla.
It's so hard. Mum, could you come do it for me? We have our mum to help.
She's so good at baking.
You need the beater. But you've started with this, so I think you're going to have to finish with it. But I will find the beater for the next stage.
Okay. Sugar all of me, please.
Right, can somebody hold that, please? Thank you.
Dad just stopped it. Pour mixture.
And lift up. This is better.
Ready to do it, Ola?
Yeah,
Right. Find out then.
that's better.
Does, yeah.
My mum's very good at baking cakes, so she knows when it's ready or not.
Hello.
You do things.
Okay, what we will do.
Is put the sunshine in.
Right, that will have to do. Ola, can you take that for me, please? And then do you want to scrape it all down the sides, Ola, and just give it one last quick blast, okay? And I'll clean this.
So this is the beater.
Spin it round.
So hard.
Scrape it all down. Do you want a hand?
Dad's doing it.
Okay.
And then put it.
Perfect. Let's pop it down. There we go.
Thanks, Mum. So now mix egg and vanilla extract.
Yep, so 3/4 of a teaspoon in that.
So do I pour this whole teaspoon?
Yep.
In goes the vanilla extract. In goes the... Ooh, that wasn't a pleasant sound. Ooh, I'm getting egg everywhere. And that should be good.
Just shove it in the bowl. Just shove it in.
Yeah. That doesn't look nice at all. I think we've done something wrong.
Now what was it?
She close it. What? It looks like thick. No, it does.
YouTube video of cosmetics.
No. It is. Mum, go look at it.
Yeah, so stop. That means you should be putting in a couple of tablespoons of flour. Okay, and then it will stop that.
Flour.
Yeah, so mind out a sec. Just pass me the flour. So it will just help look it less scrambled eggy. And then we go, just put it on slow.
That one's slow.
One,
Right,
two.
so put on there. And then that should stop that. Okay, so that should do. Turn it off then, yeah. So now you're going to add all of the flour and all of the corn flour.
Rosie, you want to get the...
So
You get corn flour, corn.
you hold that for mummy, please. So you're best off with a tablespoon.
Okay. Do I add all of it?
Yep.
1. Oh. 2.
Just dump it all in.
Okay.
Want to come and do the corn flour, Rosie?
Side or...
Why are you being? Are you in a grump? Do you want me to put in the corn flour for you, Orla? Careful.
Sorry. It's so hard.
Right, stop it then and I'll do it. Got it all over his socks.
I get the floor.
Okay,
This
so
is
that's-
why I never do the baking in the house. Plus, I'm also known as.
Okay. So what I would do here is put the shield on because the flour's just gonna
Go.
everywhere, yeah. So pop that down.
As you can see, the flour's already gotten everywhere.
And then the more the flour gets incorporated in, just turn it up a bit, yeah?
Okay.
Turn it up 1 notch, I'll say. Okay.
Let's half this time.
Yeah, so just turn it off a sec. Lift it up.
It looks like fudge or something. Flour's getting everywhere.
Mix it for a little bit longer and then you've got to stir in the sour cream. So
Sour cream and shortbread biscuits.
who would have thought it, eh?
Hey.
Eh? Can you hold that for me, please?
Oh yeah.
Thank you kindly.
Do my job. Which is